Hello guys, good morning. So I'm here with my son and my beautiful wife. Yeah. So we are here on my son's dental appointment. Yeah, dito kami sa dental appointment ni Paul. Ito po yung guys. Oh. Yan. So after this, punta po kami we're going to the piano of my son. And right after piano, we're going to the birthday of yeah, her favorite cousins. Favorite. Hindi pwede na mawala to. So yun guys, kita-kits tayo kung ano yung magiging adventure natin ngayong araw na to. So far right now is snow, but it's sunset. Yeah. So yun, kita-kits tayo guys mamaya. Thank you. So guys, habang iniintay ko yung mag-ina ko, dito ko sa isang mall. Ay no, isang grocery. Hindi ko alam. Dami, parang siya. European mall. Most of these are cheese. Yeah. Mga tinapay na malalaki. Nakakali. Yeah. Guys, so we're done a while ago on my son's dental. So ngayon tapos na rin ng kanya piano. So uwi muna kayo ng bahay. Pick upin namin si Liam. Then diretso na lang pick upin. So aside from that, bilhin muna kami ng pandesal. So guys, kita-kits tayo. Guys, dito na tayo. Likod ko guys. We're going to? What's that? Ito na guys, so nakikita-kita na sila. Dito kami sa loob ng sinihan. Yan, so antay muna kami ng mga around 5 minutes. Ooh, yeah. Si Princel. Yeah. Sige yan. Okay. Sure, come. Kapicture daw si Luko-Lukoy. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ang pagpaya Liam. Yeah, Liam. Take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're gonna watch Weekend. Yeah. Weekend. Yeah. Ito yung mga kasama namin guys. We're gonna watch the Weekend. Let's go. So yun guys, natapos na yung namin, movie. Ayan, si Sayo, nagbibigyan na ng mga toys. And then yung magpinsa, nagbabayad na rin. Yeah. Ayun. Ha? Sino? Awan? Where did you get?
Without money! Without money! Without money!
Okay. Hey guys!
Without money, guys. This is without money. I just hacked it. I can
Oh,
teach you in the
God.
next video.
Yan na guys, kakain muna kami. So ito na. Mga yeah. Kain muna kami sa McDo. Ayun guys, dito na tayo sa McDonald's, no? So, si Jane, si yan, ayun. Ayun pa. Tapos yun sa kabilang na mesa yung mga Calixto Brothers. At ito naman si Nasito family. Ayun guys. Si Joaquin. Si Liam. Oh, si Liam. Ayan. Sarap ng kain, no? Si Joaquin. Hi, Joaquin.
Share?
Yeah.
Wala.
Wala talaga. Ayun, si Princel. Ayan, guys.
Salty base. Done.
Yeah. Ano yung smile? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Yan na. Oh. Yeah. Okay.
I found it already.
Okay.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zion. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Are you five? Are you six? Are you seven? Are you
8
eight?
million.
Stop. Okay, blow. You cupcake because
But it's fine, I don't care. I like it.
okay, we're gonna ask
Ito na guys, so dyan na natatapos yung birthday. Nagpapaalam na mga to. Pauwi na. Pauwi na sa mga kanilang bahay. At ito yung mga tagayang. One, two, three, go! 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2.